Hi, my name is Peg Kenselaar, and I'm a teaching artist at the Montclair Art Museum. I've been teaching here for over 20 years. I, as a personal artist, work in many different mediums, and I also have the kids work in a lot of the same mediums. I believe at a very young age, children should be exposed to everything because they are little rubber bands, they are little sponges. Rubber bands stretch, and I really try to stretch their imagination, but I don't have to stretch it too far because their imaginations are really incredible, especially at this age. And a lot of times when I show them new techniques and ways of doing art, it's the first time they've ever done it. That's my passion. I love to teach art, but I love to teach young kids because it's an aha moment. You know, often it's the first time. And then the parents come in and they say, "Did you do this?" And then they look back with a huge smile and say, "Yeah, I did this." I mean, it's just so gratifying.